So the first thing we want to do is disconnect our app sensors. A little red clip in here, just kind of push that back. You're able to get that disconnected. Push down after that, it comes right out. So again, we'll push back that little red lock and push down on the back clip at the back. Those come off like that. And we've got a regular screwdriver. Air hose connection. Go. And then for the airbox itself, there are a bunch of Phillips screws all around the box, and one right there in the center. Don't forget that one. Do not want to drop these. Some of the corner ones feel like they don't want to come out all the way. That's fine, they can stay in the box. I should not lose them. These center ones are coming out all the way though. You have to get that out. Both of those on each side. Definitely want to clean down in there also. No need to do anything funny. Yeah, ready to go. Alright, so I've pretty much cleaned everything up, got the new filters in. I've gone ahead and preloaded all the screws in the airbox lid. And we'll go ahead and put that back. Everything's nice and snug. Just tighten everything up. It's better.